Good morning, my name is Rudy Peretta from Complete Coachworks. Today we'll be discussing the technical and safety aspects of the electric bus. Complete Coachworks has been in business for 3 decades, with its primary focus being the rehabilitation of older vehicles to like new condition. In this case, it's the electrification of the propulsion system. The goal of Complete Coachworks is to make the transition to an all-electric fleet as smooth as possible. That being said, let's see how to start up the bus. On the left-hand side of the driver is the ignition switch. Let's go ahead and turn the bus on by rotating clockwise to the day run position. During night operations, rotate the knob to the night run position. Once the system is on, the air compressor will be energized. This will be noted by the 2 air gauges located to the left of the instrument panel. The same functionality that you are accustomed to holds here. The pressure will build to about 120 psi and then the air compressor will turn off. The steering wheel is equipped with a tilt and telescoping feature for the driver's comfort. The coach is equipped with an electric front door and an air-operated rear door. The controls for this are located on the left-hand side of the driver. This is the front door. This is both front and rear. In the event that the operator wants to activate the rear door only, this is the rear door. And this is both front and rear. The same controls that operate the door also operate the kneeling function for the bus. These are located here as well. On each side of the door control are additional switches: the pedal position location, the remote mirror control, the hazardous light override, driver's light, aisle light, stop request, cancel, climate control, and rear door override control. The parking brake is located just to the left of the driver, down below. Once the parking brake is released, you can now shift into forward or reverse operation. Please note, you must go into neutral before you shift into forward or reversed. The AC control is located above and to the left of the driver. With one-touch operation, the air conditioning system is preset to 70 degrees. Just to the left of the driver's area is the controls for the defrost, also additional heat if required by the driver. If additional heat is required for defrost, those controls are located here to the left of the driver's side. Just below this are located the controls for the windshield wipers. Rotate the knobs clockwise to activate either the left or the right-hand side. Between the two is the button to activate the windshield washer. Push the button to activate the washer fluid pump. The bus is equipped with a display showing the state of charge of the batteries. Think of this as the new gas gauge. Within this display are the system status bar, the alarm bar, and the state of charge bar graph, which indicates the percentage of charge left in the batteries. The bar graph is color-coded green, blue, yellow, and red, which represent the amount of energy left in the battery, with high being green and low being red. If the operator sees that the display is in the yellow, they need to start thinking about getting back to the depot for charge. This will conclude the driver's area. I will now demonstrate the emergency escape hatches and windows located in the rear of the coach, as well as the fire extinguisher and safety triangle's location. The fire extinguisher and safety triangle are located on the curbside wheel well cover. The bus is equipped with emergency escape windows, which can be operated by the passengers. Pull the red handle in and push on the lower portion of the window. The bus also has escape hatches on the front and the rear of the coach. Above the front door is located a manual release for the door. To the side of the rear door is also located a manual release. This will conclude the interior walkthrough of the electric bus. We are currently at the rear of the bus. With the removal of the diesel engine and transmission, you'll notice quite a few different components that constitute the propulsion system. The first thing I want to discuss is the low voltage cutoff switch, which is located on the curb side of the bus. We've installed an ease of access panel on this side for ease of operation. This controls the 12 and 24 volt loads associated with the bus. This also shuts off the interior lights and exterior lights. Please be aware that turning this off will shut off the high voltage system with this bus. The engine compartment is located at the rear of the coach, and as you can see, it's quite a bit different from a diesel unit. The peripherals that were powered normally off a diesel engine had to be converted over to all electric. So as you can see, our power steering pump and our air compressor are now electrically driven units. You notice just outboard is our radiator fan, which provides coolant to our traction motor, as well as some of the electronics used to control this. At the center of the compartment, you notice this is our new traction motor. This is directly coupled to the rear axle. There is no more transmission. Just above this are located our lithium-ion batteries. We have 12 units wired in series and parallel configuration, 4 located here, the rest located up on the roof. In the engine compartment, you will note orange cables. These denote high voltage. Do not handle these wires for risk of electric shock. If you see any disconnected or loose, do not reconnect. Please contact the appropriately trained personnel immediately. In the engine compartment is located the fire suppression system. This is for protection in case of a battery thermal event. Also located in this area is the charge port. This is for bringing on shore power to charge the high voltage batteries located on the bus. And the upper compartment houses the electronics that are associated with running the traction motor. Also located up here are the charger, motor controller, AC distribution system, inverters associated with the power steering pump and air compressor, as well as our battery management system. So in the center of the compartment, you will find the high voltage disconnect switch. This will conclude our walkthrough. If you require any further information, please visit our website at www.completecoach.com. Thank you.